So today my buddies and I are going to be installing an AWE exhaust for my Raptor. I honestly think the stock 3.5 EcoBoost exhaust is okay, but for a Raptor, I think it's missing that extra oomph. This is going to be my first time ever modding a car, so we'll see how it turns out.
There you go, right there.
The instructions seem simple. You take off the existing muffler using 15mm and 10mm sockets and a ratchet. After taking off the stock muffler, we had to connect the extension pipes, the H-pipe, and lastly the rear pipes that connect to the exhaust.
Anthony's taken over the scoring here in his third period, 11 points already.
A shout out to CJ Off-Road for the YouTube tutorial. Randy, how are you going to help us?
I can flash the light for you guys.
Alright, so we got this piece out. Let's go, Lakers. Now we're trying to get the back out.
Yeah, just pull it that way.
So after almost an hour of wiggling and pulling, we finally got the stock muffler to come off. And a huge shout out to WD-40. After spraying some on, we were able to disconnect the pipes in like 1 minute. Alright, so we got the stock muffler out. And then now we gotta put it all in. We gotta put this all in.
Because it's gonna go here.
So we got the extension pieces on.
Left side.
Now we got the H pipe on. And now we gotta connect those to.
This is gonna be the tricky part. How do you get that in?
After everything was set up, we tightened the clamps to secure the pipes together and made sure there were no leaks. Just finished it, now we're gonna fire it up. It only took like 2-3 hours. Alright, the grand reveal. Sounds good. Yeah. Let's see it.
Curfew.
Wow, the Volvo.
Sounds Swedish. What about you guys? Would you guys do more car stuff?
Yeah. That was okay.
I seriously didn't think you guys would.
My initial thoughts are that it's a really good exhaust. I really like it. For the sub $500 range, I think it's the perfect exhaust for me because it's not too loud or too obnoxious. So when you're on highways going on cruising speeds, you don't hear that much. When I'm going through the neighborhood, it's not like super loud. But when you step on it, it really turns on and you get that nice steep tone. And that's pretty much what I wanted. So I definitely recommend this exhaust to anyone that's looking for something around the $500 range. And yeah. right, so I'm gonna be ending the video here, guys. My wife and I booked this place to kind of have a little mini retreat, so we kind of wanted to just unplug, get off our electronics. Yeah, we're just gonna be spending time with each other and a couple of friends and just enjoy the scenery and the outdoors. If you guys have any questions on the exhaust, please feel free to comment down below and like this video, give me a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.